Hey everyone, welcome back to ArdCoders, where we make electronics fun, simple. Today I'll show you how to download and install Arduino IDE on your computer, whether you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Even if you don't have Arduino board right now, you don't have to worry. You can still install and be ready when you have it. Before we start, let's play a quick game. If you like this video helpful, hit the like button before we finish. And if you are serious about learning Arduino, make sure to subscribe. It's free and it's keep you update on all our cool projects that we will be making. So let's get started. Before downloading, let me quickly explain what Arduino IDE is. It's a free software that allows you to write and test code on Arduino board. And as you don't have the hardware right now, you can still explore the software and write your first program and get familiar with it. Okay, so now let's download it. So open a browser and go to arduino.cc. So here's my browser. Go to arduino.cc. Click on the software and select Arduino IDE. Like here there is a Arduino IDE, and now choose your operating system. Like if you are using Windows, Linux, or Mac. Like I'm using Windows, so I'll be choosing Windows 10 here. Click it and down and wait for download. Okay, here it's asking. Just download it. You don't have to pay anything right now. So I confirm. Actually, I don't want to subscribe because my mail just gets filled with all these messages. So just download it and wait while it is getting download, and the file will be saved in your system. It's downloading. Okay, it's downloading. It's taking a lot of time. And if you want any specific video that I can make, and if you want any help in making your project, just comment down below and I'll be making video on that particular topic. Okay. And let me tell you, it's my first video, so hope for the best. It's getting download. Let me tell you, if you are on Windows, just wait a minute. If you are Windows, there will be a file .exe. You can run that file. If you are on Mac, there will be a file .dmg. You can drag and drop it in applications folder and you can install from there. And if you are on Linux, extract the file and run the install.sh script there, and you will be easily able to download it. Here my Arduino.exe file is downloaded. Let me just open it. Run, agree. So it's only for me. open multiple tabs. Okay, only for me. Install. Here you have to specify the folder where you want the Arduino IDE to be installed on your computer. And if you want me to just show you how I have arranged these slides, you can comment below. I will be making a video on that also, a separate video. And let me know if you want me to do something interesting with lights that I have in my room, like to control it with PIR sensor, or from Android, or from any other platform. It's taking time. So I'm not skipping the video here. You can skip while you are watching. Okay. Or you can just wait with me till it gets installed. No. Yes. Now let's open it. Now it's installed. Let's open it. Multiple I have opened. Okay, it's opening. Just imagine. So it's installed. Yoo-hoo! Allow access. Okay, it's installed. So take a quick look at the interface. There's a toolbar, and okay, these are the toolbars. From here you can upload the code into your Arduino board. Okay, and you can verify or compile the program that it is right or not. And here we have a board. When you have connected your Arduino in your USB port, here you can here you can see the port like COM6, COM7, and you can choose your port and upload your code in that Arduino. Okay. So here it is asking me to install this software. Uh, it will help to identify your Arduino, like when you have plugged the Arduino board into your system. Install it. Okay, how many times it will ask? Okay, it's installed. No, downloading, still downloading. So it is downloading beside all the necessary files that it needs to run the software. There is a serial monitor, I think. From here you can access your serial monitor, so it helps to debug the program. Okay, and in here in the file section you have the examples that has pre-written codes to explore. Okay, these are the codes like basic, digital, analog. If you want anything specific or any video specific on this topic, analog, digital, let me know in the comment box. And even if you don't have Arduino board, you can start writing and testing simple programs here. Okay, and that's it. You now have the Arduino IDE installed on and ready to go. If you found this tutorial useful, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want more awesome videos on Arduino content, subscribe my channel ArdCoders. It's the best way to get updated. And got any questions, drop down in the comment box, and I will be making video on that as soon as possible. And please let me know how you like this video. And since it is my first video, you can comment the ratings, like out of 10 how the good video was, and if there is any specific thing that I can improve in my video, the later videos. And that's it. So bye bye, see you in the next video.